cowboyvvs.com, your jewelry tech solution, here with another video. Yes, we're in the VR world. We're going to make it very quick. We're going to show you how to shop CBVVS RTG ready to go. Okay, that simply means the items that we have ready to go, you can shop it. I'm going to show you how to maneuver through the site and do it however you would like to do it. Okay, so quick disclaimer, like we always do, we only do our VR videos inside of here, simply because you can show the desktop view and the mobile view very quickly. Okay, so just changing my scenery, going to pull my devices up here. That's my notes for my actual next videos that I'm gonna do. That's how we stay on track with our videos here at VVS. But let's go ahead and show you how to shop RTG. So very sexy landing page here. You can kind of see this is the desktop, this is your phone. So like to show how it's going to look with your desktop and phone. So my favorite way to get to the RTG sections, and in the future, if you want to look at the bracelets, you want to look at the earrings and stuff like that, you can go right here. But I think if you hit custom rings right now, it's going to take you to RTG. I'm going to test that theory in a second, but I know for 100% factual, just period, the motherboard button is right here. This is going to take you to the RTG section, ready to go items. But let's test our IT team live on air. Bam! What happens when you hit custom rings? Okay, so as you can see, the IT team got some work to do, but that ain't gonna stop us from getting to the actual RTG section. Okay, so all you do is in the future you'll be able to click rings. It'll take you straight to rings. It's just not ready yet. You'll be able to click necklaces. It'll take you straight to necklaces, earrings, bracelets, so on and so forth. As soon as you click it, it'll take you straight to the RTG section, like when you click here. So this is the desktop view, just showing you once again, mobile version view, RTG. So you are now in the ready to go section. Any questions you have in the RTG section, man, make sure you hit us up right here. You know, we're ready to go for you right here in the RTG section. What it looks like soon as you land on the page is just like this. On the mobile device, I'm noticing some things. Let's double back and see if I might have clicked the wrong button. So yeah, there it goes. So once you click it, you right in here, you see you got the menu again right here. But one of the coolest things is you can go here and go from price. You can go here from availability, in stock, out of stock. You can go price, high to low, alphabetical, new to old. You can really play around with how you want the items and stuff like that. But as you can see, we got t-shirts. We're gonna have we're redoing our pricing and stuff like that. So we have some really cool prices. VVS items in the ready to go section means that it's ready to go. So excuse me, you get the item in 1 to 3 business days. And if anything changes for a particular item, we will be extremely transparent with that through the process. So like one of the shirts got sold, and our fulfillment department was having a little bit of re-up issues with that particular shirt. We reached out to that client, let them know, and they were aware of that, and we continue to push forward and got that item to them. If that's the case, doesn't happen all the time, we will be extremely transparent with you and go from there. But essentially, we will be listing more products back here. The web development team is active. The design team is active with the clothes. We'll have way more clothes back here in the future. We're partnering with some major designers, so you'll see some more custom items back here too as well. I feel like I'm not seeing all our products, which is okay. Don't worry about that. Oh yeah, you go to page 2 and the majority of them will pop up, like the t-shirts and everything. But yeah, man, this is how you shop CBVVS RTG. You'll see like the discount that we're running on everything up here. you know you're in the right place when you see it right here. And most importantly, if you have any questions, you can always just tap into it right there. Let's get back over here to the mirror. Once again, I appreciate y'all for tapping into this video. This has been How to Shop RTG, ready to go with Cowboy VVS. Like and subscribe on the YouTube video, and we will see you in the next one. Let's get it.